PC basically it is this, and there is a switch, if you can see. So in this it is device 2. So currently the top one is the my personal PC, and second one connected with Amazon Fire Stick. There it is very bright light and it is red. Typically, I have felt that blue light works better. It works on any surfaces. So this is a way how we can change the battery. So premium and the scroll wheel में आपको बहुत slow change करना है अपने mouse से. तो आपको precise. If you have a small screen, you can use the small like first setting. And if you are working on a big screen, big monitor or big display, you can use the third setting. Hey guys, Vinay this side. So अभी आपका वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा होगा एंड लैपटॉप से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी चीज़ें खरीदी होंगी. तो अभी रिसेंटली माउस मेरा सही से काम नहीं कर रहा था. सो पहले मैं गेमिंग माउस यूज़ कर रहा था एंड देन सडनली उसका क्लिक खराब होने लगा था. तो नया माउस लेने के लिए मुझे क्या क्या मेरे पॉइंट्स थे मैं वो जल्दी से कवर अप कर लेता हूँ, ताकि अगर वो आपसे मैच कर रहे हैं एंड आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट मैंने जो लिया उससे सॉल्व हो रही है तो इट विल बी नाइस. सो सारे पॉइंट्स अभी कवर हो गए हैं. अब मुझे चाहिए था कि ऐसा माउस जो सारी चीज़ें कवर करे. तो सारी चीज़ें कवर करने वाला एक बेसिक सा माउस मैंने सर्च किया तो मुझे बहुत सारे माउस मिले एंड उसमें सबसे बेस्ट मुझे ये वाला जो मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ ये दिस कम्स फ्रॉम लेनोवो. इट इज़ अ वेरी स्लिम एंड स्लीक माउस. तो अभी एक बार देख लेते हैं कि कैसे ये सारे पॉइंट्स को कवर करता है. तो पहला था साइलेंट क्लिक एंड आई कैन अश्योर यू कि इससे ज़्यादा साइलेंट कोई माउस नहीं है. लाइक आई कांट इवन हियर द क्लिक. लाइक आई कैन प्रेस इट बट इट्स वेरी साइलेंट. सो इट्स परफेक्ट एंड एज compared to my old mouse, like if I have that I will show you. So this one was wired and this one. So I hope you can hear the click. It had gaming buttons too. So as compared to that, it is very silent. And then second point is able to connect to my office and the home PC. Office and home PC basically it is this, and there is a switch, if you can see. So in this switch is basically I can switch two devices. So in center it is off. At the top it is device 1, at the bottom it is device 2. So currently the top one is my personal PC and second one is the office PC. So I can use anything and I can pair it with my iPad. I can pair it with my phone and any device which has Bluetooth I can pair it with. Even I can connect it with Amazon Fire Stick. So it's a nice thing. Okay. So second point solved. Then third point, don't use my USB port. So that's a great thing about it. It is completely Bluetooth mouse. It have a dongle. So without dongle, I can directly use it anywhere. So with Bluetooth, I can connect it with any device, and I don't have to keep that dongle. Fourth point is basically should be wireless to avoid wire mess, and definitely it is pure wireless. And as compared to the last one, the wire is there. It's totally wireless. It's good. And the fifth one is works on all surfaces. So yeah, that is also here. It is you can see that blue light is there, and as compared to the old one, the red light is there. It is very bright light and it is red. So what's the difference in them? Practically, I have felt that blue light works better. The blue light mouse works better than the red light, and it works on any surfaces. Like for this, I require a mouse pad where I can use it, or a specific surface. But this works anywhere, like totally anywhere. I can use it anywhere. Even on my iPad, I can use, but I will use it. So it works well. Okay, then the sixth point was good battery life. So yeah, the battery life that it is promising is 1 year. But even if the battery dies before that, I will show you. Okay. Yeah, now it's open. So this is a way how we can change the battery. So this is the battery and we can just plug it out and it will be with us. So we can directly change the battery from here, and this is magnetically connected, so I can just click and leave it here and it will automatically connect. So it is a very strong magnet, so I have to connect it from the forefront. So it is a very strong magnet, so usually this cover does not go off, so it's a nice thing again. And seventh is support from seller. So it is a mouse from Lenovo and there is 1 year warranty. Slim and short, I have already told that this is very slim. Like if I compare it with the previous one that I was using, okay, it is very slim, like literally it is very slim. And the ninth and the last point was works even if the dongle is lost. Correct. It works with Bluetooth. अगर आपके लैपटॉप का ब्लूटूथ नहीं उड़ता है, नहीं खराब होता है, तब तक ये बहुत अच्छे से काम करेगा. एंड लैपटॉप का ब्लूटूथ यूजुअली खराब नहीं होता है. So yeah, it works without the dongle also. So all points are clicked and the cost is pretty high. Like it's a costly mouse, but it's worth the money because it looks premium and the scroll wheel is good, and there are no other buttons. There is this DPI button. So what this DPI button does is basically अगर आपको ये बहुत स्लो मूव करना है, जैसे आप कुछ ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं उसमें आपको बहुत स्लो चेंज करना है अपने माउस से, तो आपको प्रिसीजन चाहिए होगा. आपको चाहिए होगा कि माउस बहुत धीरे धीरे मूव करे, एकदम से चेंज ना हो. उस टाइम आप इस DPI को बहुत चेंज कर सकते हैं. इसमें 3 मोड है, तो आपकी अपनी प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से आप इसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको बहुत जल्दी मूव करना है और बहुत सारे पेजेस या बहुत सारी चीज़ें वेब पेज पे करना है, उससे जल्दी काम करना है और जल्दी एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पे पहुंचना है, सो इन दैट केस यू कैन चेंज दिस सेटिंग. एंड जब सेटिंग चेंज करते हैं तो इसकी लाइट चेंज होती है. सो हेयर इज अ लाइट. सो 1 click इज दिस, 2 clicks means second setting, and 3 lights means third setting. So now it's fast, and at 1 second setting it is very slow. It is moving very slow. So if I have to do any precision work or draw using my mouse, I will use the fast setting. And if I am gaming or want something in which the mouse should move very fast, then I will definitely use this thing. So if you have a small screen, you can use the small like first setting, and if you are working on a big screen, big monitor or big display, you can use the third setting, and with one slight click you can move from bottom of your monitor to the top, like एक ही बार में ऊपर. So it's a nice mouse overall, so I would suggest you can try with it. And there is return policy with Amazon. If you don't like it, you can just return it and get your money back. So that's it from my side. Bye. Have a nice day and be safe. Get vaccinated. It's important to be vaccinated so that you can enjoy work from home and also can travel to your office. So that's it. Bye.